The fever, the cough, the runny nose, and trouble breathing. RSV is a respiratory virus that can be severe or even deadly, and the youngest patients are among the most vulnerable. The CDC says RSV puts as many as 80,000 children under the age of 5 in the hospital every year here in the U.S., and there's finally a way to get out in front of it. So this week, we learned that the FDA just approved the first vaccine to use during pregnancy. Now, that shot is for those between 32 and 36 weeks gestation, and that should roll out pretty soon. But right now, parents should know there's a new medication available to help prevent the virus in babies and toddlers. It's called Beyfortus, and it's made by AstraZeneca.
They approved a drug, it's called nirsevimab, or you'll know it as Beyfortus. And this is a monoclonal antibody, so it's not a true vaccine, but it's an antibody. An antibody mimics your body's natural response to the virus. And it's been shown in studies to prevent 70% of hospitalizations from RSV and 90% decrease in ICU admissions secondary to RSV.
That's Dr. Andrew Gelfand. He was in studio with us. He's a pediatric pulmonologist at Children's Health. So he recommends a single dose of this new medication for all infants younger than 8 months and babies and toddlers between 8 and 19 months who are at risk. He's also encouraging new moms and dads to know the signs and symptoms of RSV.
For most people, it's just almost like a common cold. So you'll get a lot of runny nose, you can get fever, you can get congestion.
Dr. Gelfand says, please continue to wash your hands during peak season and try to avoid crowded areas with your little one if they're less than 6 months old.